I live an interesting life, and it's really a disservice not to share it to the world. So if you are curious about living your best life, you are at the right place. My name is Opeyemi, and this channel is my outlet, my space to share with you everything I love about life. My goal is simple: to inspire you to live confidently and fully across all areas of your life. Yes, on this channel, we'll be catching flights and not feelings. I'm just joking. We can actually catch both flights and feelings. Yes, we can strike a balance always. So we'll be sharing tips and tricks about finding affordable travel deals that still let you enjoy the full experience. Imagine visiting dreamy destinations without draining your wallet. Yes, we'll be doing all that on this channel. Also, I have over 18 years of experience in financial management, so we'll be sharing tips and tricks about building financial confidence, budgeting tips for smarter savings, and investing opportunities. On this channel, we'll be sharing all those and more. Yes, obviously, I love fashion, so we'll be sharing a lot of tips and tricks about getting deals on fashion pieces, work style, everyday chic looks, special event styles. I'll be sharing all those things, and so that you will not need to break the bank to look good. I love food. I love good food. So on this channel, expect recipes, food hacks, and all the food I find. And we do a lot of fitness also. You know, like I said, life is all about balance. We'll be eating and then we'll be keeping fit. So I'll be sharing exercise routines, simple wellness tips that would energize you. And like I said, I have over 18 years of experience. So I've worked with different people from all walks of life. So, and I'll be giving you career and personal development advices, some requirements that you need, basic requirements that can fit all careers and all that, website where you can find jobs. And what is life without fun? So there will be a lot of laughter and fun also on this channel. Faith is a big part of my life, so I'll be sharing my reflections, and I hope it resonates with you. So if you are looking for a channel that will share lifestyle tips with personal touch and while having fun, this is the channel for you. Do subscribe, and you get videos on your screen every 12 p.m. on Saturdays. Thank you for watching. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.